The Eagle Passive Active Warning Survivability System, or EPAWSS, provides the U.S. Air Force F-15E and EX fleets with the most advanced electronic warfare technology to maximize mission effectiveness and survivability. BAE Systems has invested over $100 million in state-of-the-art equipment, factory design and expansion, and increasing the overall number of production lines in order to meet growing business needs. Manufacturing for the EPAWSS system starts in our Advanced Microwave Product Center, or AMP Center. The AMP Center develops world-class advanced systems in production for over 2 years, demonstrating high TRL and MRL capability. To mitigate any supply chain risk for EPAWSS, the AMP Center has implemented a demand-based build approach to establish a 6-month inventory of parts ahead of scheduled need. Current capacity at the AMP Center is well below maximum, and we continue to assess long-term demand on a quarterly basis to ensure future requirements can be met. Continuing to the next part of our manufacturing process, we enter the Electronic Warfare Integrated Manufacturing Center, or EWIMC. As part of Ramp to Rate, the EWIMC has been outfitted with 3 production lines and a prototype line to support business needs. This investment has tripled the production capacity. Our capacity exceeds our demand and leaves room for surge to address recovery and unforeseen flow constraints. Currently, we project EPAWSS to require less than 4% of our total capacity and 7% of our total demand. This proven track record highlights our factory's ability to handle work of this complexity, scale, and even more. With over 60,000 square feet of upgraded class 100,000 microelectronics manufacturing, BAE Systems has increased the number of microwave lines from 3 to 10 and continues to add capacity where needed. Spending over $35 million on equipment upgrades across the microwave factories, BAE Systems employs automation in our epoxy dispense, bare die pick and place, wire and ribbon bonding, laser seal, and electrical tests. This automation supports our drive to provide the highest quality in support of our zero defect initiatives, as well as reduced touch and cycle times. Our machines have demonstrated the ability to reduce pick-and-place build times by up to 50% and increase bonding automation by 600% since early 2019. In addition to scaling and improving our capital equipment, we have established a platform to scale our human resources as well, enabling continued capacity and capability scaling to meet future needs, which are reviewed on a monthly basis. The investments BAE Systems has made through our Ramp to Rate program has prepared us for the demands of EPAWSS today and those to come. Coupling these initiatives with our state-of-the-art manufacturing, automation, and staffing programs allows us to deliver the most comprehensive and reliable EW system in the world, protecting the warfighter during their toughest missions.